In my previous unboxing video I show you my second holy grail, the Nike Odyssey deadstock from 1984. In this video you saw that the midsole was dry out. So I decided to let the midsole repair by sneakerfix.com. Very good. I hope he did a good job again, because I was very pleased about my Columbias. So now I will unbox the new ones. Oh, sneakerfix, nice. You put them in nice bags. You can see now the midsole is repaired, and really awesome, great job. The inside of the shoe was also dry out, so now the blue color is gone, because this was dry out. You can see he also replaced. The heel cap is also a little bit dry out, therefore some errors in it. But most of all, you can see here's the damage a little bit, but it's okay for me. There are nice trophies in my collection. Totally new outsole. Really awesome. Great job. So if you want to let your shoe repair, contact sneakerfix.com, and you doing a great job. So keyring, thank you rule. So for fixing your shoes, go to sneakerfix.com. So see you next time, and I'm very pleased with my second holy grail.